Good morning, student. I am your SST teacher, Taruna Kapoor. Today we will continue the chapter 11 of History, the Making of National Movement. The Rowlatt Satyagraha. In 1999, Gandhiji gave a call for Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act that the British had just passed. The act curbed the fundamental rights such as freedom of expression and strengthened police power. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The Rowlatt Satyagraha turned out to the first all-Indian struggle against the British government. In April 1999, there were a number of demonstrations and hartal in the country and the government used brutal measures to suppress them. Jallianwala Bagh done by General Dyer in Amritsar on Baisakhi Day. The People's Mahatma. In many cases, people resisted British rule non-violently. In other words, different classes and groups interrupting Gandhiji call in their own manner. In Kheda, Gujarat, Patidar, peasants organized non-violent campaign against the high land revenue demand of the British. The march to Dandi. Purna Swaraj would never come on its own. It had to be fought for. That's why in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would lead a march to break the salt law. Gandhiji and his followers marched for over 240 miles from Sabarmati, the coastal town of Dandi, where they broke the government law by gathering natural salt found on the seashore and boiling seawater to produce salt. The combined struggle of Indian people bore fruit when the Government of India Act of 1935 prescribed Provinical autonomy and the government announced election to the Provinical legislature in 1937. In September 1939, after 2 years of the Congress rule in the provinces, the Second World War brought out. Critical of Hitler, Congress leaders were ready to support the British war effort, but in return, they wanted that India be granted independence after this war. Quit India movement and later, Mahatma Gandhi decided to take a new phase of movement against the British. The British must quit India immediately. To the people, he said, do or die. Towards the independence and the partition. 1914, Muslim League had moved a resolution demanding Indian state for Muslims in northern, west and eastern area of the country. The Congress failed to mobilize the masses in 1930s, allowed the League to widen its social support. At the end of the war, the British opened negotiation between the Congress, the League and themselves for the independence of India. After the failure of the cabinet mission, League decided on mass agitation for women, its Pakistan demand. It announced 16 August 1946 as a direct action day. On this day, riots broke out in Calcutta, lasting several days and resulting in the death of the thousands of people. By March 1947, violence spread different parts of the northern India. Many 100,000 people were killed. Numerous women have faced untold brutality during the partition. The joy of the country independence from the British rule came with the mixed pain and the violence of partition. Thank you.